Let us introduce ATH2500 Handheld Hyperspectral Imager. This is Imager core part lens. This is visible lens for online previewing and picturing. Turning halo can adjust light in for suitable brightness. Rotating focal length can control the sharpness of your imaging. In the side power port in 8-port for voltage and USB port. Here is SD card slot for database acquisition. In the front screen with 3 button. Long press power button to open software. Then click acquire button to start database collection. Open laser button can shoot at the sample center point. Long press power button to start software interface. Wait a second to main interface. In the main screen have 4 functions. Setting, historical records, storage, position and instrument information. In the right corner can switch language for different countries. Let us take green leaf to demo operation. Firstly, click preview button to start software screen connect status. Then click preview again to adjust filter position for preparation. Hold the device aim at green leaf to adjust halo and focus length for a clear picture. Click preview again to return to the default. Lastly, to click acquire button can start process database. Wait a second, finish scan. After scan end, click historical records button to check and analyze spectral information. This is the end of operation introduction. Thanks for watching.